Kynhun Kyrsu Musical and Cultural Society Meghalaya, Kabaderu Kynhun Tembat Shat Tenrai Nakathan Kynshi East and West Khasi Hills District, Hakasin Kabaningkong, Kalayo Banit Yashimenta, Haka National Heritage Fest Arjar Arpusaw, Kabanyaw Sngi, Yakabalas Dang Naduk Arpui Terik Naiwing Arjar Arpusaw, Bat Lepinkut Hakamiat Arpunyaw Terik Naiwing Arjar Arpusaw, Hayuva Vikash Kendra Gandhi Foundation, Kabadon Hanong Ba Agartala. Kajing pelong ya kini ke program kalong kum shibenta ban peni kajing ru spa jong kari India ha ka culture ka ketin ka thlet kariam ka bet ka bam ka di kajing long ka mariang bat kiwe bat la sakhi bahadu arpa pratli ke jala na kaleng kari kilawan ban shibenta kini ke program. Dia kini ke program lawan bansa Shillong do Chief Minister jong ke Tripura Ushri Manik Saha. Watla kini ke program kamday ke competition na kaliang ke Kynhun Kyrsu kalau yok ban peni ke sab jing shat tenrai ke jing ruai ha ke babun ki pai pa ke la yap bet bat yaro ya ke jing itenat na do karyam bat ke jing ruai ki bas ngau tenat. Kini ke Kynhun kalau yok ru ya ke jing penkop buram kum ke best team de ki jan memento bat ki certificate.
Everyone present here. First of all, we would like to give thanks to the Yuva Vikash Kendra for giving us this opportunity to perform in this Heritage Fest 2024. We are from Kyrsu Musical and Cultural Society, representing Meghalaya. And the name of our song that we're going to perform now is about the unity of our state, Meghalaya.
Jong